Welcome to this tutorial on ASN.1 integer type encoding. Today, we'll explore how to define integer types, apply constraints, and encode values using basic encoding rules, also known as BER. We'll also walk through a hands-on demonstration using the ASN.1 codec tool from Creation software. Let's get started. The integer type is a fundamental ASN.1 primitive type with the universal tag universal2. It represents whole numbers and can be constrained to specific ranges or single values. For example, a basic declaration, a constrained range, a single value constraint. These constraints ensure data validity, rejecting values like -1 or 101 for a temperature range of 0 to 100. Let's try this in the ASN.1 codec tool. Follow these steps. First, access the tool. Navigate to this website. Click Login to begin. Second, define the schema. Enter the module. Then click Compile to validate. Encode a value, and select temperature from the drop-down. Input 30, and click Encode. Verify the output matches 02011E. Observe the decoded result. It exactly matches our original input value 30. Confirming the encoding's accuracy and reversibility. To summarize, integer types support range and single value constraints. BER encoding combines identifier, length, and contents octets. Tools like ASN.1 codec simplify validation and encoding. Practice encoding different values and constraints to master these concepts. For more, explore the tool's documentation. Thanks for watching.